Hello everybody! This week is going to be so messy that we'll need gloves. This is a first-gen PS4 with a white light of death. A well-documented issue that means that the PS4 has no video output. It should be fixable by replacing the HDMI encoder chip or the HDMI port. I've never done something like that, and since I wanted to learn something new and I found this console for only 20 euros, I've decided to give it a try. But before doing anything, we need to completely disassemble it and clean this disgusting mess. After just few screws, we can see that this PlayStation has some corrosion, probably from water getting into the system, and that the fan has a ton of dust. At least it had the warranty stickers still intact, so nobody had messed with it. Luckily, the main board looks fine, except for a minor spot of corrosion that I'm hoping will not affect the system, and again, a huge amount of dirt. After the bottom and top part, I've also removed the mid-frame, the fan and the disk drive, and from the latter I started to clean. Watching the felt and the plastic around it return to the original deep and beautiful black was so satisfying. Since I was that deep into the system, I've also decided to clean the Blu-ray laser, even if it wasn't looking too bad. After dusting and cleaning some rust from the cables on top, the disk drive was clean and ready. After that, I've tackled the main board with its fair share of old thermal compound, dust and corrosion. Nothing that some isopropyl alcohol and some scrubbing can take care of. Off camera, I've also cleaned all the plastic in the sink, and I've submerged the metal plates in vinegar to remove the rust. Before completing the reassembly, I wanted to check the power supply. After opening, we can see that it is in almost pristine conditions, and after cleaning the corners and checking for the ground continuity, we can close it. We can finally reassemble almost everything and check that, as the seller said, the PS4 is not working and we really have the infamous white light of death. But this is a story for another video, because this one is already too long. Thank you very much for watching this video. I would really appreciate for you to leave a like and subscribe, it will really make my day. I'm Leo and I'll see you next time, but in the meanwhile, remember to keep things alive.